let's paint. Hey guys, today I am going to be painting a lovely picture, and I think I'm going to try something that's like space and stars because I love the mixture of colors, and I thought it's a nice day outside. I think I'll do it outside. Here it is, and it's kind of got like a galaxy look, which was what I was hoping for. And right now it's honestly raining, but we have our lovely new umbrella, so at least I'm not getting wet. But I wanted to show you guys, and I'm not completely done at this. I'm going to be doing the stars on it, which I haven't done yet, but I wanted to show you guys the paints I used. Now I have this one, which is an Artist Loft, and it's brilliant blue. And most of the paints I have, I just found on clearance at Walmart or just clearance at Hobby Lobby, just different stores, just simply on clearance. And then I've just got the normal black, it's called Mars Black. I have medium magenta, in which I got on sale. Titanium white. And then I have this lovely new palette that I also got on sale, which I get pretty much all my art supplies on sale, which is really nice. And I started with 2 brushes, but it didn't work out, so I pretty much did the whole thing with my palette knife. Now, for some reason, I don't have any big bottles of purple, so I just simply have this lovely purple right here, in which is called Violet, Violet, Violet. And so those are pretty much the paints that I used, and I have so many other paints down here, but those aren't, I didn't really use any of those ones, and lots of different brushes and palette knives and more paints, but those are the ones that I used for this. Now I'm going to be taking a paintbrush. Now stars are my absolute favorite thing to do when it comes to space paintings. This is like a galaxy look, so what it is, you take a paintbrush, you put white paint on it, and then you take it and you flick the paintbrush back, and it splatters little white dots all over the painting, in which I am super excited to do. Alright, and I have my painting here now, and I'm going to do the stars. And granted, you can see it's kind of like orangey up here, but that's just the light going through the umbrella, making it look orange. The painting is not actually orange. So I have a dab of white paint on my paintbrush, and just do a little bit. And pull it back. And just simply flick white paint on to your painting. This is one of my absolute favorite things to do, is galaxy space paintings. And I've got my fingers now covered in white paint, so that's a plus on that. I'm going to add a little extra stars here. Just to make it look like there's more stars in this area. Alright, there we go. And now you can see all the white speckles are the stars for my galaxy space picture. My lovely painting is finished. Alright guys, it is finished and I love it. It's a beautiful galaxy night sky and I decided to call it Nightlight. It seems to fit. In the description below there is going to be a link and this painting can be yours because I'm going to be putting it up for auction. And it'll be on auction from June 16th to June 23rd. So you guys will have a chance to take this lovely painting home. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the before and after pictures of this painting and seeing what type of paints I used for it. It was lots of fun to create. I really do love painting and I'm so glad you guys were able to join me. Hope you caught that creative bug.